What is ideology, and how does it shape power structures? Imagine a society where everyone believes the same story about how things should work. That story is often shaped by what we call ideology. Ideology is a set of shared ideas, beliefs, and values created by people to understand the world around them. It is not handed down from above but built through social and cultural interactions. In anthropology, ideology helps explain how groups make sense of their experiences and organize their lives. It also plays a role in justifying why certain social roles and political systems exist. Power structures are the ways societies organize authority and control. Ideology is a key tool used by those in power to keep their control intact. It provides a framework that makes existing hierarchies seem natural or necessary. For example, political leaders often promote beliefs that support their authority, claiming their rule is for the good of everyone. Sometimes these beliefs are explicit, like laws or political doctrines. Other times they are hidden in everyday language, customs, or traditions that people follow without thinking. Culture and ideology are closely linked. Ideology helps build a shared sense of meaning within a society. It creates a common understanding of what is true or normal. At the same time, it helps define who belongs and who does not. For example, certain ideas about race, gender, or class can be embedded in cultural norms, shaping how people see themselves and others. Ideology can work on different levels. Sometimes people openly believe and promote certain ideas. Other times, these ideas are implicit, woven into rituals, language, and social practices. These hidden assumptions influence behavior without people realizing it. Ideology also acts as a way for those in power to shape what is accepted as normal or acceptable. Political and economic systems relying heavily on ideology. They use it to justify inequalities or policies. For instance, economic beliefs about free markets or government intervention influence how resources are distributed. Political ideologies often claim to offer the best solutions, which helps legitimize the authority of ruling groups. In totalitarian regimes, ideology becomes a tool of propaganda, enforcing conformity and silencing dissent. Language ideology is a good example of how beliefs about language reflected social power. Ideas about which dialects or languages are prestigious can affect social status and access to opportunities. These beliefs can reinforce social boundaries and influence who gets resources or respect. When anthropologists analyze ideology, they look at how belief systems support or challenge existing power. They examine how ideas justify social inequalities or promote change. They see how knowledge, values, and norms are used to shape perceptions and maintain control. In the end, ideology is a powerful force in shaping how societies function. It influences what people believe about their world and their place in it. It also helps sustain or challenge the social and political arrangements around them. By studying ideology, anthropologists uncover the cultural processes that keep power in place or open the door for change.